Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert your spreadsheet on the numbers application to a TSV file using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Now let's go to File, Open, which will take us to the desktop where we have work.numbers. Click on this. Now go to Open, wait for that to load. That is loaded. Now let's go to File, go to Export to TSV, which stands for Tab Separated Value. Click on this. It's the same as the last three tutorials where we were converting to PDF, Excel, and CSV. Combine a file for each table, that's fine. Advanced options, if we need to change the text encoding to something else, but for this tutorial we will leave it to Unicode UTF-8. Go to Next. Save as work. We can choose where this will be saved. Let's just click on expand. We'll just save to the desktop. Now click on export, and this will export into a folder called work on the desktop. Let's now minimize the spreadsheet for the moment. Now let's go to the desktop, go to work, expand that folder. Let's click on sheet 1-table 1.tsv, double click, and this will open up in numbers in the form of a table. So we have now imported the table data to the numbers application. It's the same as before. Let's just see the work.numbers spreadsheet. There we go. Let's now have them both side to side. Everything was not imported, but just the table itself was imported. So we can now close out to full screen. Quit numbers, quit finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.